I was able to achieve what I was going for. It does have a lot of difference, like absolute a lot of difference. Like I can see the difference in my skin. So now that we're done with the eyes, okay, I'm gonna move to my face. So I'm gonna starting with the skin work. Okay, this is a trick that I just learned from some of the YouTubers that I just met on this YouTube. Okay, they are like family to me. In fact, not just like family, I'll say they are family to me. Okay, because they are also beautiful and talented. I learned this trick from them and I'm about to put it in practice. So watch and see, and let's see if I'll be able to make it. Okay, so to prep my skin before I go in, I'm going to moisturize my skin. Lately I've been using more of this oil. I've used this oil before in the past, and I haven't been using it like a while now, so I decided to use it as my moisturizer. So I'm going to use this to moisturize my skin. That's the first step, what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be using this Tarte base tape by Tarte. Is an hydrating primer. I'm going to be using that as well. So this is a skin illuminator, and this is 74% water-based skin illuminator. I found this in my Ipsy bag, and this is, I'm going to be trying this. This is the one thing I know I've seen them, they did a lot, like, you know, they just put this on that place that you really want to pop out the highlights. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my concealer just for my under eye. That's only the place I normally use concealer if I want to. So by the way, the concealer that I use is by Estee Lauder. This is Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Concealer in shade Deep Extra. So that's what I use to conceal, and I'll be coming in with the foundation. This foundation is by Derma Blend. This was sent to me free by influencer, like sometimes last year I believe. So I use it every now and then. Just decided to pick it out today again and, you know, give it a shot. So we all know this is it, this work. I'm not going to waste time and, you know, while blending, I'm going to go ahead and blend, and I'll come back to the camera. Okay, so I've blended the foundation, so I'm going to move ahead to contour and highlight and, you know, all that good stuff. I don't really like my video to be too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and stop talking, and I believe the rest of the whole video is kind of self-explanatory. If there's anything that I feel like I need to talk about, then I'm going to put it on the screen. Okay. If you notice, when I highlight, put my highlighter, the concealer that I used to highlight, when I apply it, I didn't let it go all the way here, and the reason is because I learned from one of those YouTube amazing ladies I told you about at the beginning of this, my skin work. Don't let your highlighter go all the way, the concealer go all the way here. Try and minimize your blending around here. Don't let it go all the way here, so it doesn't cover or overpower the skin work that you did under that, because you need that place to pop after the end of the whole video. So I went ahead and, you know, dust out the setting powder that I put on top of my highlighter, and then just blended my face with this powder by Estee Lauder. I use that to blend the rest of my face together. In order for me not to have this demarcation between my highlighter and this place, I'm going to be using this brush that I used to contour. Then I'll use it to blend the side. So I'll go ahead and spray my entire face with this setting spray by Black Radiance. Yes, I still want you guys to see. I haven't used the highlighter yet, but look at that side that I put the illuminator in the beginning. Okay, that I put an illuminator, right? See, look at that. I haven't put on highlighter yet, but it's already popping on my skin. Like, okay, I'm just so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, that's why, you know, when you have that moment you have been waiting for, thinking if you're going to get it right or you're not going to get it right. So let's move on. Okay, so we're going to be using Vacation. They have names: Vacation, First Class, and Paradise. We're going to leave Paradise for another day. Let's go for Vacation. Okay, and True Complexion 3D highlighter palette. I bought it from Walmart. I'll put the price on the screen because I forgot how much I bought it. It comes with this. See, just take that out, and it has a mirror and these 3 shades.